Today's topic is about Hwang Min-yoon Best Korean Drama Collection. But first, let's get to know more about him. Hwang Min-yoon was born on August 9, 1995. He is now 28 years old. He is a South Korean singer and actor under Pledis Entertainment. He began his professional career in 2012 as a lead vocalist of the South Korean boy group New West and a member of 101. He debuted as a soloist on February 27, 2023 with the album Truth or Lie and the title track Hidden Lies. He known as Min-yoon, who's from Busan, South Korea. He has an older sister named Hwang Soo-jin. He attended Hanyang University Institute for Future Talent and Inha University. He graduated at the School of Performing Arts, Seoul. Hwang Min-yoon can speak Japanese. He is also play piano, writes lyrics, and compose music. He is allergic to salt. Even when he's dancing, he would have an allergic reaction to his own sweat and get rashes. Hwang Min-yoon never had dated. His only dating experience is via text only when he was in the 9th grade. But they never held hands or hugged before breakup. His ideal type is someone older than him with short hair and someone he can communicate well with. His height is 181 cm or 5'11 inches and weight is 67 kg or 148 pounds. Blood type is O. Social media account of Hwang Min-yoon. And now, let's find out his Korean drama list. Just keep on watching. Number 1, My Lovely Liar, also known as Useless Lies. Hwang Min-yoon played the role of Kim Do-ha and Kim Sung-joo. He is a famous composer and producer in Korea who goes by the stage name Kim Do-ha. He changed his name and went into hiding due to an incident in his past. My Lovely Liar is a mystery and romantic comedy series that depicts the story of a woman named Mok Sol-hee, played by Kim So-yoon, who can't trust people because of her ability to hear lies, and she uncovers the truth while getting entangled with a murder suspect who no one believes in his innocence. It is aired in TVN with a total of 16 episodes from July 31 to September 19, 2023. Starring Kim So-yoon, Hwang Min-yoon, So Ji-hoon, Lee Si-woo, and Yoon Ji-on. Number 2, Alchemy of Souls Season 1 and Alchemy of Souls Light and Shadow Season 2. A fantasy, romance, action, and a period drama series set in fictional nation of Daeho, a country does not exist in history or on maps. The drama tells the story of characters whose fates become twisted due to magic that swaps people's souls. Hwang Min-yoon played the role as So-yul. He is the eldest son of the So family of Soho Fortress, a genius mage and a man of principles. He has been best friend with Jang-uk and Park Dong-gu since childhood. She fell in love first with Naksu in his teenage years. In Season 2, after 3 years, So-yul returned to Soho Fortress, who barely escaped death in Season 1, and he's been suffering great pain due to blood parasite inside his body, but has kept it a secret. When he meets Jin Boo-yeon, they decide to become friends. As he recognizes her true identity, he initially plans to kill her and himself, but then he decides to let her be. Alchemy of Souls Season 1 and 2 aired in TVN. The series was divided into 2 parts. Part 1 aired from June 18 to August 28, 2022 for 20 episodes, while Part 2 aired from December 10, 2022 to January 8, 2023 for 10 episodes. Starring Lee Jae-wook, Jung So-min, Go Yoon-jung, and Hwang Min-yoon. Number 3, Live On. A coming-of-age drama and a teen series with a total of 8 episodes. It aired in JTBC from November 17, 2020 to January 12, 2021. starring Jung Da-bin, Hwang Min-yoon, together with No Jung-yoon, Yang Ye-ji, Yeon-woo, and Choi Byung-chan. Live On is a story of love and friendship unfolds in a school where social media is a defining force and everybody is judged according to one's looks, sense of passion, and popularity. Hwang Min-yoon played the role as Ko Eun-taek, a student of Class 2-3 in Soyeon High School and the manager of Soyeon's broadcasting club SHBS. Eun-taek lives like a life that follows an exact stringent timetable. He is known by his club mates for being a strict perfectionist and overly time-conscious leader who does not put even a mere second to waste. He fell in love with Baek Ho-rang. Number 4. Their Distance. Hwang Min-yoon played the role as Nam Sang-soo, a Korean convenience store employee and college student who falls in love with Kokase, played by Fumiko Aogi. Their Distance is a Japanese-Korean film that centered around different ideas of love from generational to cultural, told in a non-linear narrative switching from various days in April to illustrate the perspective of all the characters. Starring Ren, Fumiko Aogi, Hwang Min-yoon, Hanae Kan, JR, and Haruka Kinami. The film was first screened at the 20th Tokyo International Festival on October 23, 2015, before being released to the public on January 9, 2016. Hwang Min-yoon is in talks to star in a new drama that based on a webtoon entitled Study Group, a high-rated, beloved youth action webtoon starring Hwang Min-yoon as the leading role alongside Han Ji-yoon. It will be helmed by director Lee Jang-hoon and filming will be reportedly begin once casting for the leads is complete. Stay tuned for more updates.